So here we have the Toyota Verso 1.8 VMATIC Trend Automatic on a 64 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see all 7 seats are currently in place. So that's the amount of boot space you'd have with all 7 seats in place. Let me show you what it's like with the 2 rear ones folded down. And there you go, that's with the 2 rear ones folded down. As you can see, you get loads of boot space. Those 3 middle seats will also fold to give you even more room should you need it. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see not only is it a great looking car, but it's in really wonderful condition the whole way round. Just briefly before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are as good as new. There's plenty to run through by way of controls on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, so now they're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials, which sit up in the centre of the dashboard area on this car. You can see the speedometer in the middle and the rev counter to the right, and then if I move the camera slightly over to the left, we have the trip computer, which includes the total miles on this car of 13,829. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got stereo controls, and on the right hand side we've got the ability to answer and end phone calls, as well as having voice activation for the phone as well. So hit that button, ask it to dial any one of your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. And then underneath that, on this stalk, we have cruise control as well. Over in the main center console area, you can see this car has got satellite navigation. If we hit the media button on the left and turn the stereo on, turn the volume down for a moment, you can see the different types of music system or ways of listen to music in this car that are available to you. So AM and FM radio, as well as DAB digital radio, auxiliary input, and then on the second page we can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. So once you've paired your phone, not only can you make and receive those phone calls, but you can also listen to music as well. We've got a CD player and USB iPod connection as well. On top of that, we have a reversing camera. So if I put the car in reverse, you'll see the full colour image with the guidelines showing you where you would be headed in relation to the image that you can see. Working our way down from that, we have the ability to adjust the fan speed in the middle here, temperature for the passenger side and for the driver side. And when you're happy with the temperature you've got the car set at, that button will turn the air conditioning on, or you can hit auto and the car will maintain those 2 temperatures for you by taking control of the fan speed itself, which you can now see it doing. Just override that by readjusting the fan speed accordingly. We then have the fully automatic gearbox, a 12-volt charging socket, and the normal mechanical handbrake. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.